Hi guys! Welcome back sa another video lesson. So in today's video, ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay ang part 2 ng compositions of function under GenMath ng grade 11. Okay, so ito yung medyo mas complicated na example para mas malaman ninyo kung paano pa natin i-apply yung ating compositions of functions or paano pa talaga natin siya sinasolve. Okay, so given that f of x is equal to square root of x, g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, h of x is equal to x plus 5 all over x squared minus 2x minus 3, d of x is equal to x plus 5 all over x minus 3, and c of x is equal to x plus 1, let us find yung una, f composition of c of x, f composition of g of x, c composition of c of x, d of c of g of x, c of h of x. Okay, so medyo complicated siya compared dun sa mga previous examples natin. So if you haven't watched yung example natin doon sa una, para mas madali nyo maintindihan ito, please feel free to view or visit our channel kasi nandoon siya sa playlist ng GenMath ng grade 11. Okay, so simulan natin sa letter A. Let's solve for, wait lang. Try natin. So let's solve for F composition of, sorry. So we have F composition of C of X. So alam natin, it is simply equal to what? F composition of C of X. Ayan. So F of C of X. Okay. So the first thing that we need to do is to look for yung pinaka nasa loob ng parenthesis, which is C of X. So that will be F composition of C of X. So yung C of X natin ay X plus 1. So lagay natin dito ay X plus 1. Then afterwards, i-substitute natin yung X plus 1 sa X value ng F of X. Kasi F yung kinocompose natin. So, yung F natin ay square root of X. So, that means square root of X plus 1. So, ito na yung final answer natin since we cannot simplify it further dahil yung wala namang square root of X plus 1. So, wala na siyang magiging, hindi natin siya pwede i-simplify pa. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Square root of X plus 1. How about yung letter B? Let's have letter B. Sa letter B is F composition of G of X. So, it is also equal to F of G of X. So, the first thing that we need to do is to look for the G of X. And G of X is equal to X squared plus 2X plus 1. Then afterwards, i-substitute natin yung X squared plus 2X plus 1 sa X value ni F of X. So, we have the square root of X squared plus 2X plus 1. Okay. Can we simplify it further? Yes. Why? Because X squared plus 2X plus 1 is still factorable. So, ang factor niya ay X plus 1 quantity square. Why? If you haven't watched yung mga factoring technique natin, pwede nyo rin ulit i-visit yung ating YouTube channel and look for the grade 8 factoring. So, nandoon yung mga techniques in factoring, iba't ibang pamamaraan para mas madali ninyong masagutan yung mga ganitong problems. Okay, so since we have square root of the quantity x plus 1 square, so ang gagawin lang natin ay cancel lang natin yan. So, ang matitira na lang ay x plus 1. So, ito yung sagot sa ating letter B. How about yung ating letter C? So, let's look for letter C. Ang letter C natin ay C composition of C of X. So, that's also equal to C of X. Okay. So, titingnan lang natin ngayon C kasi i-compose natin yung C sa sarili din niya. So, we have C which is equal to X plus 1. So, C x plus 1, and then papalitan lang natin yung value ng x ni C ng x plus 1 din. So, since this is x plus 1, it will become x plus 1 plus 1. So, we have x, 1 plus 1 is positive 2. Okay, let's proceed with the letter D. So, proceed tayo kay letter D. Ang letter D natin ay D of C of G of X. Ayan. D of C of G of X. So, unahin natin muna yung G of X. So, that's simply D of C. Yung G of X natin ay x squared plus 2x plus 1. X squared plus 2x plus 1. Ayan. Then afterwards, isa-substitute natin si x squared plus 2x plus 1 sa x value ni C. Ang value ni C ay x plus 1, so it will become d of x squared plus 2x plus 1, tapos yung plus 1 pa niya, so we have another plus 1. Simplify muna natin, so we have d x squared, 2x plus 2x, 1 plus 1 is positive 2. Then afterwards, isubstitute natin siya kay letter D. Ang letter D natin ay x plus 5 over x minus 3. So we have yung x plus 5 magiging x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus 5 all over. Yung denominator naman niya ay x minus 3. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 2 minus 3. So, simplify natin siya further. So, dito na lang natin ilagay yung sagot. So, we have x squared plus 2x plus 7 because 2 plus 5 is 7 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 1. Ayan, so ito yung sagot natin sa letter D. So, kung pwede nyo pa siyang i-factor ninyo and then i-simplify. But in this case, non-factorable na siya. So, prime na siya. That means we cannot do anything about it. Hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-cancel. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Yung last natin ay ang letter E, which is C composition of h of x or C of h of x. Ayan. That's simply equal to, unahin natin yung h of x, which is x plus 5 all over x squared minus 2x minus 3. Ayan. And then, kunin natin yung value ni c of x, which is x plus 1. And then, palitan natin yung x niya ng x plus 5 over x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, we have x plus 5 all over x squared minus 2x minus 3 plus 1. Kasi may plus 1 pa siya doon. Afterwards, i-add natin siya by getting the LCD. So, the LCD is simply, yung LCD natin ay x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, x squared minus 2x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 1. So, pag minultiply natin yung 1 kay x plus 5, that's simply x plus 5. And then, plus, kasi i-add natin yung 1, x squared minus 2x minus 3 divided by 1, kasi 1 yung denominator ni 1, dahil wala naman nakalagay, so that's automatically 1, is simply x squared minus 2x minus 3. And then x squared minus 2x minus 3 times 1 is x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, simplify natin. Alisin muna natin yung parenthesis para hindi nakakalito. Plus x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, we have yung x squared may over pala tayo. So, we have x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, equal to, lagay natin yung x squared sa una. And then, x minus 2x is negative x. 5 minus 3 is positive 2. Since the denominator naman ay x squared minus 2x minus 3. Okay, since non-factorable na ulit yung numerator and denominator natin, that means this will be our final answer for this problem. Okay, for more GenMath problems, please do not forget to subscribe on this channel and hit the notification bell para wala kayong ma-miss na mga videos regarding dito sa ating GenMath ng grade 11. Good day and God bless.